In a landmark move, Canva, the renowned online graphic design platform, has acquired Affinity, an award-winning suite known for professional photo editing, illustration, and design. This acquisition is a game-changer, significantly enhancing Canva's mission to build the most comprehensive suite of visual communication tools. Traditionally, Canva has grown rapidly among non-designers, but the addition of Affinity's professional software opens doors to all levels of designers, furthering Canva's vision. The union of Canva and Affinity marks a pivotal moment in visual communication, especially in the realm of enterprise solutions, where professional designers can now leverage Affinity's sophisticated tools to create scalable designs and templates with Canva. Cliff Obrecht, Canva's CEO, emphasizes the increasing need for effective visual content across various business domains. Affinity, over a decade, has empowered designers with high-quality, efficient, and affordable tools, amassing over 3 million users globally. Their suite, including Affinity Designer, Photo, and Publisher, is celebrated for its speed, responsiveness, and cross-platform compatibility, earning multiple industry accolades. Now, with Canva's explosive growth and user base of over 175 million, the acquisition is set to revolutionize the professional design market. Canva's commitment to enhancing the Affinity suite aims to meet and exceed the expectations of professional designers. This strategic move signifies a new era in design, combining Canva's simplicity and reach with Affinity's professional prowess, ultimately benefiting designers of all calibers. Ashley Hewson, CEO of Affinity, echoes this sentiment, excited about the future prospects of this integration. Together, Canva and Affinity are poised to redefine the landscape of creative software and empower a broader spectrum of creatives. In an unprecedented move that is reshaping the landscape of the design world, Canva, the highly acclaimed online graphic design tool, has acquired Affinity. This acquisition is more than just a merger of two companies. It's a strategic alliance that greatly strengthens Canva's vision of building the world's most comprehensive suite of visual communication tools. While Canva has historically been the go-to platform for non-designers, with this acquisition, it now opens its doors to professional designers as well, making it a versatile tool for everyone engaged in the art of design. The combination of Canva's user-friendly design tools and Affinity's professional-grade software creates a unique platform where designers of all levels can thrive. Canva's CEO, Cliff Obrecht, highlights that visual communication is increasingly becoming a norm in the workplace, necessitating tools that cater to a broad spectrum of design needs. Affinity, renowned for its high-quality, efficient, and affordable design tools, has catered to over 3 million users worldwide. Their products, including Affinity Designer, Affinity Photo, and Affinity Publisher, have set the standard for professional design software with their unmatched speed, seamless cross-platform compatibility, and array of features tailored for professional workflows. As Canva steps into its second decade, the company has seen phenomenal growth. It's now a platform used by over 175 million people globally, spanning 190 countries and available in more than 100 languages. This growth trajectory, set to skyrocket with the integration of Affinity's tools, which will attract an even broader audience, especially in the professional design market. Canva is committed to investing in the Affinity suite, ensuring that it not only meets the needs of professional designers, but also elevates their design experience. This acquisition heralds a new chapter for both Canva and Affinity, where the combined strengths of both companies will empower designers at every level, paving the way for innovative designs and creative solutions. Ashley Hewson, CEO of Affinity, shares the excitement for this new journey, confident in the synergy between Canva's mission of empowering everyone to create and Affinity's commitment to professional-grade creative software. This collaboration is set to redefine creative software, catering to a vast array of designers and creatives, and shaping the future of visual communication. The acquisition of Affinity by Canva marks a groundbreaking moment in the digital design industry. This move is not merely a business expansion for Canva, but a strategic step towards revolutionizing how design tools are used and accessed globally. Canva, already a leader in user-friendly design solutions, now integrates Affinity's professional-grade software into its platform. This fusion bridges the gap between amateur and professional design, making high-quality design tools accessible to a broader audience. Affinity, known for its robust photo editing, illustration, and graphic design capabilities, complements Canva's intuitive interface and wide user base. This acquisition means professional designers can now leverage Canva's platform for more complex projects, while amateurs gain access to advanced tools previously out of reach. The potential for innovation in design workflows and the democratization of professional design tools is immense. Looking at the broader impact, this acquisition is set to change the dynamics of visual communication in industries and organizations. Companies can now streamline their design processes, utilizing the combined strengths of Canva and Affinity for everything from quick social media graphics to intricate design projects. This integration also signifies a shift in the design software market, challenging traditional models by offering a subscription-free, all-inclusive suite of tools. The strategic alignment of Canva and Affinity underscores a shared vision for the future of design, a future where creativity is uninhibited by the complexities of software, where design tools are inclusive and accessible to all. This bold move by Canva could pave the way for more collaborations and innovations in the tech and design world, setting new benchmarks for what's possible in creative software. The acquisition of Affinity by Canva is not just a business transaction, but a strategic move that is set to reshape the entire landscape of digital design. Canva, known for its user-friendly design platform, has become a household name, enabling millions to create stunning visual content with ease. Now, by acquiring Affinity, Canva is poised to expand its reach to professional designers, blending simplicity with advanced features. Affinity has been a beacon for professionals, offering top-tier tools for photo editing, graphic design, and illustration. This integration means that Canva's vast user base of over 175 million can now access professional-grade design tools, making it a one-stop solution for all design needs. This acquisition is a testament to Canva's commitment to becoming the most comprehensive suite for visual communication, addressing the needs of both novice and professional designers. With Affinity's tools under its belt, Canva is now equipped to offer more robust, precise, and versatile design options. The synergy between Canva's ease of use and Affinity's professional capabilities is expected to spark a new wave of creativity and innovation in the design world. For businesses and organizations, this means a more streamlined process for creating visual content, from basic graphics to complex designs. The fusion of these two platforms will undoubtedly set a new standard in the industry, offering unparalleled opportunities for creatives across the globe. As Canva continues to grow, it remains dedicated to its vision of empowering everyone to create, while now also catering to the needs of professionals. This move is a significant step towards democratizing design, making high-quality design tools accessible to a wider audience, and fostering a more inclusive and creative community.